here on page 9, based on the testimonies of Mr. Matobato and Las Cañas, this clearly constitutes offense of graft and corruption. Yung pong statement lang ni Las Cañas, yun na ang kanyang basehan para maging graft and corruption against the highest official of the land. Then proceed. Unexplained wealth. Based on documents given to the Honorable Antonio Trillanes. Hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling eh. And then, annexes niya po ay 48 pages. Annexes 8 to F. Wala naman pong, hindi natin malaman may I ask now, gentlemen, who prepared this document? Itong annexes 8 to F, saan po nanggaling ito? Are they culled from authentic records?
Mr. Chair, yung sa records ng properties and then the COA, they're culled from authentic records. Now, the issue on the bank accounts, we understand, Mr. Chair, that it is only through a litigation or hearing or of a case, an impeachment court, that the bank secrecy law will be waived.
So you do not have any authentic records of these allegations?
It's just allegation, Mr. Chair.
Yun
the
na nga
bank
po.
records.
Because
Because
you're using this committee to piece evidence.
we cannot produce that, Mr. Chair, out of the banks.
Precisely. And then you stated under oath that your material allegations, I will read now. Oh, you said here, Senator Trillanes asked the help of accountants and finance specialists to tally and figure out just how much money was actually deposited and or transferred into the subject bank accounts. Their final tally shows 2.207 billion more or less. Sinasabi po niyo ito under oath, tapos chismis lang po ito eh. Wala po kayong authentic records.
Mr. Chair, again po, yung authentic records na yan po, sinabi po ng nagbigay po sa kay Senator Trillanes na nakuha niya po doon sa kanyang sa ombudsman. There's authentic records, but of course,
kumbaga sa bypass po ito, hindi quadruple bypass na ito, hindi quadruple hearsay po ito,
Mr.
multiple
kaya nga, Mr. Chair,
complicated hearsay na po ito hindi po natin alam kung sino nagbigay ng mga records na yan and then, pwede po sana si Senator Trillanes na ang nag-complainant dito para makita natin, sagutin niya dito. Ngayon po, binigay ng sino man tao na yan, binigay kay Senator Trillanes, nabigay sa'yo, then you want the House of Representatives to make the highest official of the land answerable for hearsay evidence. Mahirap po ito.
Mr. Chair,
in fact,
kaya nga po, Mr. Chair, may I respond, Mr. Chair?
Just before that, if you will recall in the impeachment of Chief Justice Corona, we were not even allowed to look at the records during the Senate impeachment trial of PS Bank. Yung PS Bank at saka yung BPI at saka meron pa isang bangko. Sinumpinan na ng Senate. Pero wala rin. Hindi rin dahil hindi nga pwede yun. So again, this is a clear showing na you want this committee to consider your complaint on the basis of something that we cannot even produce, even during the previous experience that we had on former Chief Justice Corona. Hindi namin nakuha ito. Tini-RO pa kami ng PS Bank. So, anong saysay nitong pinag-uusapan natin? So, you are testifying not even of your personal knowledge. Sana, sabi nga ni Majority Leader, di sana hindi rin namin alam kung personal knowledge ang kay Senator Trillanes dito. Baka naman kung saan niya nakuha. Anyway, you are now recognized.